GoPro, GoPro, GoPro. Where did I leave the GoPro? Come on. Let me show you what we got going on over here. Watch out. Duck. Keep people over here.
For sure. Because once that lights, dude, I'm telling you, I think this stuff is all gonna light. It's gonna be throwing embers and.
All right, here's the plan, dudes. Explosives in the middle. There's also some explosive ornaments strewn about. Oh, this is New Year's. I don't know if you guys know that. Happy New Year's Eve. We celebrated on Demolition Ranch with a big explosion. We get all the old Christmas trees, which actually this is a lot of work. Like you think like people are just gonna throw out old Christmas trees. They don't. We drove around for hours to get all these Christmas trees. Like how long do you think? Probably 8 hours total, I would guess, just trying to find these Christmas trees. We should have planned better. But we've decorated the Christmas trees with explosive ornaments, and we have a big bomb in the middle. We're gonna dump some flammable fluids around the bottom, and then we always set this thing off differently. I think last year we actually didn't do it. It was too dry, like it hadn't rained in a long time. Today should be good. But the years before we did a 50 BMG. We've done 308 with an armor-piercing incendiary. We once just shot it with a Roman candle. Today I think we're gonna flamethrower it because I haven't used my flamethrower on this yet. Come around to the front. Let me show you this thing in all its glory. We have 23 Christmas trees, I think, and we made it triple decker. So the previous years, all we did was just like stack them all together, and every year we made it bigger with more fireworks and more trees. This year we like tripled it, and we made them triple times as high. They go up 16 feet. Come check it out. We've got some nice things draped across here. Maybe have you know, little poppers in there. We got some big ornaments too, just strewn about, and it goes up all the way up. We're on the interior now, and as you can see, I'm a pretty good structural builder. I'm probably gonna start building houses after this. There's one screw, 2 screws holding me up right now. Didn't want to overdo it with the screws. She's a beaut. I think it's time to rein in the new year, Demolition Ranch style.
So this is where the hangout spot is?
I don't know.
Right here?
I'm gonna walk up to it, so I don't know.
Dude, we're gonna be really close. All right.
You ready?
Yep.
All right, here we go. Gotta get closer. I'm really scared. My God. Happy New Year, everyone! That is gonna be very hard to top next year. And I think we need to go put out some fires. I don't know how high those flames went, but that was 16 feet high, and they were like, oh man, that was crazy.
That's like, yeah, that's really high right now.
We're gonna go, you can see how it's kind of spreading right now. We're gonna go put out some fires. Thanks for watching Demolition Ranch. 2018 was awesome. I can't wait to see what 2019 brings us. I love you, and I'll see you next time. Contact!
That's a great idea. What about the quad hawk?
Bobby!
I'm a doctor. Ish.
Bring the drone down!
Not straight down.
Woo! Yeah, it was a little bit overexposed in the first explosion. I had to adjust it on the fly. No. Or wait, I have a phone. Woo! Taking fire!
It's pretty hot!
What is the giant circle? That's not from the gas.
Ooh, what did he just run over? That's spread.
Welcome! You need some dragons on your shoulder.
Yeah,
That middle thing is good. I think honestly, I think it just got so hot. I'm prepared to die.